Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we are diving deep into HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has ranked HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.06. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 65.31% since we initially recommended purchasing HIMS and HERS Health Class A 23 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.84% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further increases are likely. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 49.47% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 10.19% to 110.86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points towards a change of around 52.63% over the next year, with potential returns between -24.15% and 113.49%. This translates to a price range of $37.38 to $105.21 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline: Volatile ride for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price on Friday, moving between $49.05 and $57.37. The HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price experienced a decline of 25.79% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, dropping from $66.41 to $49.28. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 16.96%, trading between a low of $49.05 and a high of $57.37. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.77% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 58 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk could be slightly elevated over the next few days. In total, 88 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $72.98, while the lowest price was $9.36. Currently, the price stands 32.47%, or $23.70, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, HIMS and HERS Health has experienced a significant sell-off, with shares dropping as much as 25% after the Food and Drug Administration announced that the shortage of Novo Nordisk's weight loss drugs, including Ozempic and Wegovy, has been resolved. This announcement directly impacts HIMS, which has capitalized on the shortage by selling its own copycat version of these medications. As competition intensifies with the return of these major products to the market, HIMS' revenue potential from this segment is likely to decline. Furthermore, while the stock's decline raises immediate concerns for investors, the company's recent acquisition of a peptide facility could bolster its long-term strategy by enhancing its supply chain and capabilities in personalized healthcare. This move could help HIMS diversify its offerings and meet the growing demand for tailored treatments in the future. In the short term, we may observe volatility as investors respond to today's sharp decline. However, those who focus on long-term growth might interpret this as a temporary setback, considering the company's strategic positioning in a rapidly evolving healthcare market. Ultimately, how HIMS navigates this transition period and leverages its recent acquisition will be crucial for its stock performance in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, Citigroup reported a sell grade for HIMS, along with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, UBS assigned HIMS an underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Canaccord Genuity again assigned a buy grade to HIMS with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, Needham also issued a buy grade for HIMS, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $58.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $37.35. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. There have also been some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 28.31%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 85 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS. Health, Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $42.56 and $38.93. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A finds support just below today's level at $42.56. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $38.93 and $37.28. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, coupled with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, which classifies this stock as very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.32 between its high and low, representing a change of 16.96%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 9 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $58.50. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $42.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Dudum Andrew, who bought and sold 264,202 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 35.294. In total, insiders purchased 969,425 shares and sold 2,033,812 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.91, reflecting a decline of 4.8%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A shows several positive signals. However, these indicators do not sufficiently support a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares as we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of February, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open at $2.62, with initial trading expected to begin at $51.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.